Enjoy stunning clarity with the best binoculars under $200, featuring vivid optics, wide-angle views, and durable, lightweight design. Effortless long-distance focus makes wildlife spotting, hiking, and sports events sharper, brighter, and fully immersive. In this video, we recommend the 7 best binoculars under $200, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Vortex Optics Diamondback HD 10x42 Binoculars. The Vortex Optics Diamondback HD 10x42 binoculars deliver exceptional clarity and precision, making every outdoor adventure more immersive. Equipped with a high-definition optical system and 10x magnification, these binoculars produce sharp, color-accurate images with minimized chromatic aberration. Fully multi-coated lenses boost light transmission, while dielectric coatings ensure bright, vibrant views even in low-light conditions. ArmorTech coating protects the exterior lenses from scratches, oil, and dirt, keeping your optics pristine. Built to endure, these binoculars are waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof, making them ready for all weather conditions. The durable rubber armor provides a secure, non-slip grip, while adjustable eye cups and a center focus will allow for comfortable, customized viewing. Tripod adaptable and paired with the included glass pack harness, these Diamondback HD binoculars combine precision, durability, and convenience for wildlife spotting, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. Number 6. Vortex Optics Crossfire HD 10x42 Binoculars. The Vortex Crossfire HD 12x50 binoculars offer a compelling blend of performance and value, making them a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts and nature observers. Equipped with a high-definition optical system, these binoculars deliver exceptional resolution and color fidelity. The fully multi-coated lenses enhance light transmission, ensuring bright and clear images even in low-light conditions. With 12x magnification and 50mm objective lenses, they provide detailed views ideal for birdwatching, hiking, and sporting events. Designed for durability, the Crossfire HD binoculars feature a rugged, waterproof, and fog-resistant body. The rubber armor provides a secure, non-slip grip, ensuring comfort during extended use. Adjustable eye cups and a center focus will allow for easy customization, accommodating users with or without glasses. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or attending a live event, the Vortex Crossfire HD 12x50 binoculars offer a reliable and high-quality viewing experience without breaking the bank. Number 5. Nikon ACULON A2 1110-22x50 Binocular. The Nikon ACULON A2 1110-22x50 binoculars deliver versatile performance, combining powerful zoom with lightweight, ergonomic design for effortless outdoor viewing. The easy-to-reach fingertip zoom control lets you adjust magnification from 10x to 22x quickly and smoothly. Multi-coated eco-glass lenses provide bright, clear images with excellent color fidelity, ensuring sharp views in most lighting conditions. The turn-and-slide rubber eye cups offer comfort during extended use, and the adjustable interpapillary distance allows a customized fit for any user. Built for durability, these binoculars feature a rubber-armored coating for a secure, non-slip grip even in wet conditions. With a minimum focus distance of 49.2 feet and a wide field of view, the ACULON A211 is ideal for birdwatching, wildlife observation, sports events, and scenic exploration. Its tripod adaptability adds stability for extended viewing sessions, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. Number 4. Celestron Nature DX8x42 Binoculars. The Celestron Nature DX8x42 binoculars deliver sharp, vibrant views in a lightweight, compact design, perfect for birdwatching, hiking, and outdoor adventures. Featuring 8x magnification, these binoculars provide stable, detailed images, letting you spot wildlife and distant landscapes with ease. Fully multi-coated lenses maximize light transmission, while Bach 4 prisms enhance contrast and resolution for crisp, color-accurate visuals in any lighting condition. Built for rugged use, the rubber-armored polycarbonate body protects against bumps, drops, and the elements. Waterproof and nitrogen-purged, they resist fogging in rain, snow, or humidity. A wide 7.4 degrees field of view makes tracking movement effortless, and the tripod-adaptable design allows for stable, extended viewing sessions. These Nature DX binoculars combine clarity, durability, and portability for reliable performance in every adventure. Number 3. Celestron SkyMaster 20x80 Binoculars. The Celestron SkyMaster 20x80 binoculars deliver incredible power and clarity for both astronomy and long-range terrestrial viewing. With 20x magnification and large objective lenses, these binoculars reveal stunning detail, making distant landscapes and celestial objects come to life. Bach 4 prisms maximize light transmission, producing bright, sharp, and high-contrast images even in low-light conditions near dawn, dusk, or night. Built to handle tough conditions, the rubber-armored housing ensures a secure, non-slip grip and protects against bumps and scratches. Water-resistant construction lets you explore outdoors without worry. Number 2. Nikon PROSTAFF P310x42 Binocular. The Nikon PROSTAFF P310x42 binoculars deliver crisp, vibrant views with upgraded optics, offering a wider, brighter perspective for every adventure. Featuring 10x magnification and multi-layer lens coatings, these binoculars produce sharp, color-accurate images with excellent low-light performance. The wide field of view and long-night relief provide comfortable, immersive viewing, whether you're birdwatching, stargazing, hiking, or attending sports and concerts. Built for the outdoors, they are waterproof, fog-proof, and wrapped in rugged, slip-resistant rubber armor. Lightweight and portable, the PROSTAFF P3 combines durability, comfort, and optical clarity, making it a reliable companion for all your outdoor explorations. Number 1. Bushnell H2O Xtreme 10x42 Compact Waterproof Binoculars. The Bushnell H2O Xtreme 10x42 binoculars deliver bright, clear views with premium optics, ideal for hunting, boating, and outdoor adventures. With Bach 4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses, they provide vivid, sharp images in any lighting. Nitrogen-purged and O-ring sealed, these binoculars are fully waterproof and fog-proof, handling rain, splashes, and accidental submersion with ease. Rugged rubber armor and non-slip grips ensure a secure hold in wet conditions. Compact and lightweight, they include a strap, carrying case, and lens covers, making the H2O Xtreme a reliable companion for wildlife observation, travel, and outdoor exploration. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.